Hi guys, welcome back to one more video on FFB build series. In this particular series, we have detailed videos on building analog pedals, powerful steering wheel, paddle shifters, gaming rig, analog handbrake, head shifter, ignition starter key, JMX adapter, RPM lights, and hall sensor pedals. In case you have missed any of these videos, make sure to check out them and come back here. Then you can find today's video interesting. For this setup, we are using EMC Lite firmware on Arduino Leonardo board, and this is how the circuit diagram for this project looks. It has a lot of connections, and for beginners it will be confusing, and there are chances of making mistakes. Even many of our subscribers reached out for the help on these connections. So to overcome all these problems, I thought of designing a custom PCB shield which makes this entire circuit plug and play. I used Altium Designer for designing this PCB. I made all the connections and created a board layout with a dimension same as a Leonardo board. After accommodating all the required inputs on this board, this is how the PCB came out. I'll export the Gerber file and give it for printing.
1 week later.
I received the PCBs and this is how they look. They're compact with all the required inputs and same size as that of Arduino board. In order to use these PCBs as a shield and mount on the Leonardo board, you have to solder some pins. So I've also purchased this male and female header pins and screw terminals. So I'll quickly solder them. One 4-pin screw terminal goes here and 6-pin terminal here. Male header pins on both the sides facing downwards. Set of female header pins at the top and some more female header pins facing bottom. Additionally, in the FFB circuit diagram, we have also used two 4.7 kilo ohms resistors for the encoder. So this PCB also covers that. We can directly solder them on the respective slots R1 and R2 and no need to do any external connections. So after completing all the solder work, this is how our custom FFB shield looks. So here this board has male and female header pins at the bottom, which helps to lock on the Arduino board. And we have separate terminals for BTS motor driver, pedals and encoder. All the 16 button matrix switches can be connected here on the top side. So coming to the most important part on the connections. First, I'll take out the Leonardo board from my previous setup and place the custom FFB shield. So that's all you have to do. With this, we don't have to make any connections with the Arduino board. All the inputs like the wheel, pedals, motor driver and buttons will directly connect to the inputs provided on the PCB shield. Now I'll start connecting them one by one. First, from the encoder, we have 4 terminals, 5 volts, ground, A and B. The same goes on the screw terminals. Coming to the pedals, the 5 volts and ground of all the 4 potentiometers are connected together and made as a common line, which can be connected on this 5 volts and ground screw terminals. And the signal pin of each potentiometers are connected to this respective slots: accelerator, brake, clutch and handbrake. On the BTS motor driver, the VCC ground, right and left enable, right and left PWM pins connects to the respective pins on the shield as per the naming. So further, we have provided all the inputs of this button matrix on the PCB top surface from switch 1 to switch 16. We can just solder 2-pin header and use it for any kind of digital inputs like shifters and button box. So that is how easy it is to make the complete FFB circuit using this custom shield. Now I'll connect the board to the computer and check if all the inputs are working. So everything is working as expected. In this way, our custom PCB shield helps any beginner to build their FFB setup quickly with minimal steps. If you find this PCBs interesting and want one for you, you can submit the response using link in the description box and we'll reach out to you. For more interesting videos on this series, you can subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.